Hey everyone, I wanted to show you really quick how you can very easily start your own blog and create your own list of feeds that can kind of turn it like a web ring and can be used in your own kind of social media. At least that's what I'm trying to do. The best way, in my opinion, to just get started with a really quick blog, there's several options out there, but I really enjoy bearblog.dev if you want to check it out. It's very nice. You could technically use things like Substack, but it's not as open and things like that, but you know. Bear blog is really easy to use. I'm going to go ahead and create a new blog and just call this Steve Stuff. And I can just call it Steve something blog or something like that. And that would be like the subdomain. So it'd be Steve something blog dot bearblog.dev or something like that. So I'm going to hit create here. And this is my home page. And I could say, this is my blog. I can hit publish. And now it is live. I can go preview it. Here it is, and so I have a home page and I have a blog, but there's no post yet. So let's go ahead and just make a really quick post. All we have to do is just go to posts, click on new post, and I can say bananas. There's always money in the banana stand. And I could just hit publish or save as draft. Let's go ahead and publish this one. And if I go ahead and view it, we'll see bananas. There's the blog post. It can be upvoted, go back to home. There's blog, bananas. Awesome. Very cool. And something you should keep in mind too is you'll see a little attributes thing here. You can click on that and add all of that to the templating here. And so you can add things like date or if you want a particular slug or meta description, things like that. It's very handy. Now, the real key and where this gets really fun is being able to show everybody all the other blogs that you follow and are subscribed to through RSS feeds. And it's actually really easy to do. All I do is just go ahead and go to the pages here and click new page. And the title will just be feeds. And here, we could say, here are the people I'm following. And what we're going to do here is going to do a bullet, and then we're going to basically create a link. And to do that in the markdown syntax, it's really simple. I can put brackets here for the name. So I'll say Steve's Bear Blog. This is my actual Bear blog here. And I put in the link. So HTTPS stevedillandev.bearblog.dev. There we go. And it's just a link. It's really simple. Go ahead and publish this page. We can preview it. So we see here, there's the link. Now it's not showing up in the nav here, so let's fix that. Very simply, we just go to nav, and we just go ahead and add in our links. We'll just say feeds. There we go, and publish. So now if we view our page, we'll see we have a feeds here, and we can click on this and visit this person's blog. Now, what's really cool about this and what the idea behind this is that each one of these pages has an RSS feed. You can kind of see it here in this browser, but I can just copy this link and then I can go into a client that does RSS feeds. This one's called NetNewsWire for macOS and iOS. I can just click new feed and paste in the link, and I can organize it and name it however I want. And it's just going to go ahead and pull in that feed. And it doesn't have any posts just yet, but I have a few others and some of my other blogs that have posts here, and some blogs from other people, which is really cool. And this is a way that you can basically read other people's blogs and keep up with them. And the idea behind this is, with social media and the way that we used to use it, we want to, keep in touch with those people and see what they're posting, see what they're talking about. But we want to avoid all the noise and algorithms and ads that come with traditional social media. And I think this is a really interesting way to do it, where I can go to my blog, I can look at the people that I'm following, and then I can, continue to just go down and down into further people to follow in different blogs and explore. And so I have a way to create my own feed of content of the people that I care about and the people that I want to listen to when they say something online. But I can also explore and see other people and meet new faces and things like that online. And this is the way that the web worked back in the day, and it's changed so much now, but this piece still kind of exists, and it's really cool to see and to explore. And so I would highly recommend make a Bear blog, create a new page with your feeds of people that you want to follow and share, and just slowly create your own network that doesn't depend on any big social corporate media. It's just blogs. And you can use Bear, you can use Substack, you can use anything you want. The key is just make sure it's RSS enabled, which Bearblog is, and so is Substack, and just share the people that you're following with. It's that simple, and I think there's a lot of beauty in that. So anyway, thanks for checking this out. I would love to see you on my blog if you want, so just go to stevedillendev.bearblog.dev. Leave a comment down below. If you're starting a blog, I would love to check it out. Thanks.